Hello. Well, you've made it to the last week of April. It's hard to believe, but we're almost halfway done with the quarter. I think we have 5 weeks left, which is great news. I want to walk you through this week's lessons. Unit 3 is quite long. We're going to learn how to start animating in VR. So what I actually did is it's 20 lessons and I have you stop at lesson 10. Now, if you want to continue this week and work ahead, you can, but you definitely don't have to. You can stop at lesson 10. So if we're looking at our assignment for this week, I already went through the assignments and picked this one out. The beginning is the same always. It shows you how to link into this video that you're watching right now and then how to sign up for CodeHS, which you all have done. Down here you can see Unit 3 VR animation. So we want to open this document right here. And now we can use this to type into. You want to make sure that you're typing in another color font. Red and green are good colors to use to make the differentiation when I'm checking it, that you're keeping up with your notes. You will not have to submit any screenshots this week because we are stopping at 10. You're not creating your overall scene yet. I did have a couple of you struggle with your screenshots. You could also link the page where your scene is created. Just copy the URL link and paste it into your notes doc that you are submitting. And that works as well. I was able to just click on that and go right to the scenes. I want to take you into the assignment. You'll see here for animation 3.1. You'll see this is really long. So we're going to stop here. The last exercise you're going to do is called 3.1.10 and it's called radioactive. Now, there are also going to be 2 discussion questions that you need to answer and respond to your classmates with this week. So make sure you also complete that. But you're going to want to complete that towards the end of the week, not towards the beginning, or if you do everything in one day, at the end of your day. Now, I have had students reaching out to me via inbox and via email asking for help on certain different lessons that they're struggling with. Perfectly fine. I have problem guides for all of the exercises that you're working on. The only thing I don't have a problem guide for are your individual scenes that you create, because those are your creations. So I would not be able to provide you with an answer key for those, but I can try to help walk you through things if you're struggling. I'm going to tell you the biggest thing as I was working through these lessons is syntax. Remember, syntax is the way that we type. It's like the grammar for coding. So when there's supposed to be a bracket, when there's supposed to be a colon versus a semicolon, the equal sign, the quotations. A lot of times when I had error in code and I went back and I carefully went through step by step, I found that's where my mistakes were. It really wasn't a fact that I didn't understand what I was doing. It was a fact that I missed something, or I typed a colon instead of a semicolon, or what have you. This week I did do a one-on-one Zoom session with a student that needed some extra help. I'm able to do that. If you want to reach out at any time, and if there are a couple of us that want to work through a lesson together, we can do that. I just don't want to hold you strictly to a live lesson, because the likelihood that all of you can be available at that time with your schedule and what's going on at home and your other classes, I don't want you to feel bad because you've missed something. That's why I do these recordings instead of the live lesson. But if there's something you'd like to meet with, the student and I met for maybe 15 minutes or so, and I shared my screen with that person, and we were able to work through some of the issues they were having. So I'm totally available to do that. You just have to let me know and I can email you a Zoom link and we can meet together. So when you're done, please make sure you save it and you upload it straight to this assignment. I hope you guys have a great week. Reach out at any time. Remind, inbox on Canvas or billy.dollins@browardschools.com. Take care, and I will see you virtually soon. Bye.